pozdravljeni na Fakulteti za družbene vede v Srednji poslovni knjižnici. Pozdravil nas bo profesor dr. Rado Bohinc, dekan Fakultete za družbene vede.
Dobro jutro, vsem skupaj, good morning everybody. Pozdravljeni in dobrodošli na Fakulteti za družbene vede. Dovolite mi, da spregovorim nekaj stavkov v angleščini, da bodo naši gosti razumeli. I would like to welcome you all coming from Japan at today's, for us, very important occasion, opening the Japanese corner of our library. We are very satisfied that our library is broadening with new sources from East Asia, and this is an opportunity to express our gratitude to Japanese Science Foundation, and to every one of you who have contributed to this act. I'm sure that this opening the corner of East Asia, corner of Lake Library, will contribute to further cooperation, not only in the field of higher education and science and research, but also in other fields, cultural relation, trade relation, and good relation between the two nations. So thank you very much to all of you who have contributed to this. We will do our best that these sources will be used to the benefit of our friendship in the future. In hvala lepa vsem tistim, ki ste danes prišli, ki vas to zanima, in uporabljajte te vire, ki smo jih dobili s pomočjo Japonske fundacije. To nas bo zagotovo še bolj povezalo, postavilo boljše pogoje za študij, raziskovanje, in to vedno prispeva samo k razvoju dobrega v svetu. Hvala lepa.
Za nekaj pozdravnih besed tudi gospoda profesor dr. Gregorja Perka, prodekana fakultete, filozofske fakultete.
Let me welcome you also on behalf of the Faculty of Arts of the University of Ljubljana. We are very glad that this collaboration continues. We are very glad also that this is a sort of a renewal of the collaboration we had with the Faculty of Social Sciences before. We have some joint degrees and so on, so I hope this is an introduction to this sort of renewal also. I must say at the beginning just a few words to congratulate all those who were involved in this project, and I also must congratulate our Department of Asian Studies. It's a young department, but it is bursting with energy, activities, vitality, and so on. So, as I told also, I think a month ago at the opening of the Korean corner, it is not only the corner, but it is a sort of a meeting point of two cultures, very distant. It is true, and I think it is also the sort of a window looking onto the Japan in general, the Japanese culture, the Japanese language, and so on. There are some associations which always sort of pass my head. Sorry, my French. Pardon my French. So, I was just doing some teaching in French, so the language switching is not always a successful thing. What is an association? It is that I often think of two cultural products of a movie which I think you all saw, It is the Lost in Translation of Sofia Coppola. And there is another great book of Roland Barthes. Roland Barthes, I'm going to say it in English. It is the Emperor of Science, L'Empire des Signes. It is sort of a book where, of course, Barthes did not speak Japanese. He didn't know much about Japanese culture and so on. So for him, all those signs were more or less meaningless. And I hope that this corner will add some meaningfulness to those signs, and that we will not be like those characters in the movie of Sofia Coppola, Lost in Translation. And that it will contribute to the narrowness of our two cultures. Thank you.
And now I would like to ask His Excellency, Mr. Abe, from the Japan Embassy to address the audience, please.
So, Honorable Professor Dr. Rado Bohinc, Dean of the Faculty of Social Sciences, Dr. Gregor Perko, Vice Dean of the Faculty of Arts, Professor Dr. Zlatko Savic, Head of the R Project Team, Ms. Miriam Kotar, R Project Coordinator, and ladies and gentlemen. So I would like to express my respect and appreciation for the excellent initiative and the great efforts of both institutions, the Faculty of Social Sciences and the Faculty of Arts, as well as individuals involved in the realization of the East Asian Resource Library project. It is a great honor for me to speak today at the official opening of the Japanese section of this unique library. I'm presented not only in Slovenia but also in the region and wider. The Embassy of Japan in Slovenia has been supporting R since its initial presentation to us and has strongly recommended its application for Japanese Foundation funding. As a result, I am very glad that Japanese Foundation has decided to financially support the purchase of literature and access to databases, which I believe will be valuable assets and contribution to the successful operation of the library. I hope that many students, researchers, and other interested public will use these resources and gain a better knowledge and understanding of Japan and the East Asian region. I also hope the library will facilitate further development of Japanese studies and will provide an interdisciplinary framework for studying and discussing issues related to Japan and the region. I am looking forward to further development and increase in both the number and quality of resources provided, and wish the Faculty of Social Sciences and the Faculty of Arts continuation with the excellent cooperation. The Embassy of Japan in Slovenia is happy to provide further support in your endeavor. So thank you very much.
Thank you very much. We are very grateful to open the Japan Corner in Central Social Sciences Library today. I will explain a bit about the donation up to the point. Part of the collection is donated from the family of the late Professor Hamaguchi. It came to Slovenia via the Professor Bekes here, and you can read about the history of the donation here behind me. And as Mr. Abe already mentioned, we are very grateful that we received the grant from the Japan Foundation, and on that grant the number of books will be bought, and also the access to the Japan Knowledge Database, which is a very important contribution to the research and the study work at the University of Ljubljana. The database will be available for the whole University of Ljubljana, and I think that it will be a great use for our students and researchers. At that point, I would like to thank you from my whole heart to Professor Chikako Shigemori Buchar. She was a driving force and very kind help during the whole process of the constitutioning Japan corner at our faculty. Thank you very much. So at that point, I'm very happy and grateful also to introduce Professor Moritoki. Thank you very much. And she will open the Japan corner with the music. That's kind of I read a lot about the Japan music, but I cannot explain anything. So I will ask her to explain to tell us a few words about the music that you are going to play. Please.
Thank you very much. So, for the memorial opening ceremony, I chose a piece from Okinawa with me and myself, Professor Bekish. And I hope that the corner, the international corner, would be the meeting point between Japan and Korea and China. Because Okinawa is actually the Asian city. And this song is based on Okinawa poem, Ryuka, and the Okinawa Ryuka is composed with 8-8-8-6. So not like haikus, but 8-8-8-6. So first I will read it out. I hope that someone can understand in our language. 面の電子たたなうちくりばわしりゆるひまんあゆらやらしがあしびおむかじやまりまりどたちよるさとがおむかぎやあさんいさん So this song is to miss someone who is lost. She